Hey, good morning, everybody. So, as promised, here is the artwork that I put together for my natural gas fire table. This is a sketch I put together probably 3 years ago when I built my first one that I have in my backyard. It's all constructed of tube steel and some flat bar. Overall dimensions are 50 inches long by 26 inches wide. Overall height is about 18 inches of the framework, but you're going to be adding a concrete top. So overall to the top of the table surface will be about 20 inches. And it's, like I said, constructed all of tube steel and flat bar. The perimeter top is 2 by 2 by 14 gauge material, as well as the legs are 2 by 2 by 14 gauge. They're cut to 16 inches. The bottom horizontal pieces that support the siding material are a 1 by 2 material. They are, again, 14 gauge as well. Oh, there it is right there. 1 by 2 14 gauge. And then what I've done is to support the siding material, whether you go with a natural wood like a cedar or pressure treated, or what I should have done on mine is gone with a composite material. I've welded on a piece of 1/8 by 2 flat bar, drilled to accommodate the vertical mounting boards. So it's 2 inches wide. I've used 1 inch of it to attach to the tube with plug welds, and then I've drilled accordingly the exposed portion to accept the boards. And then the same as the bottom sections around the perimeter, the 1 by 2. It has the same flat bar welded to it, so your board will just fit in, and then you can screw it from the inside to hold everything in place. So it's a little bit of work, but the end result is really satisfying. As far as the legs go, I've got some material prepped in another video I'll post of how I do my adjustable feet. Basically, it's I use a 3/8 coupling nut, which is a long nut. Because the adjustable feet that I have a really long thread on them, so I thought it's best to give as much thread support as possible. And everything is welded and ground down flat, and then the entire process I get powder coated. So yeah, so just a little note here, all steel components powder coated. The size that I built is to accommodate a 12 by 36 inch stainless steel natural gas burner. I bought mine through Wayfair. Price on the burners themselves do vary. They can go, depending on when you look at it, anywhere from $600 to $850 just for the burner alone. And it does come with all the valving system, hoses, and everything. When I put mine in my backyard, I just stubbed up out of the poured concrete a copper line with a fitting on it, and then everything just attached straight to it. So it's pretty easy to install. And the top is a poured concrete. That'll be another video down the road as to what I did with that. 2 inches thick, and it's got a cutout in the center to allow the burner to drop right in. So anyways, this is just my preliminary one. There will be more videos coming as I progress through the construction of it. As far as total material goes, all the 2 by 2 14 gauge for the top and for the 4 legs is about a 20 footer of tube that you will require. Just be careful. I had to get mine cut in half just to get it into the truck to get it home. So just lay out your cuts, and then you may have to tell the guys where to cut it, just so you're not wasting material to get it home. And so yeah, so basically a 20 footer for all the 2 by 2, a 12 footer for the 1 by 2, and then probably total of 24 feet of the 1/8 by 2 flat bar, because there's, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, all the way around to support it. And then I just had a piece of 3/8 by 2 flat bar that I used for my bottom here, which again you'll see in another video. So yeah, steel prices are just stupid crazy right now. Unbelievable how much they've gone up. They've gone up probably 4 times the amount when I originally built this one 3 or 4 years ago. But yeah, it's it is what it is, I guess. But anyways, this is just my sketch that I used for the first one, and I've got a lot of the material prepped already, ready for welding. I'll do another video of that as I progress through everything, and you can see how it all goes together. So anyways, thanks. Take care.